Okay, I think they're finished. On the side, close the window. Right here, close the window.
Thank you. Are these stray dogs? Why are they in the subway? 3 of them. Maybe it's a little wet. Oh, they got food, so they must belong to somebody, or somebody's tending to them. And they all just sit around most of the day sleeping, not doing too much. Yeah. Pek Istanbul. We're taking the subway. Here comes the train. Here comes the train. Today we are going to the mall. We're gonna ride 8 stops. Alrighty, it's a nice mall here, at least on a rainy day. Came in here to escape the rain, basically. A decent sized mall. Nice and bright, that's the thing. The other mall the other day was, well, we went in the evening, but it was very dark. This one, pretty nice. Got Cartier on top, Starbucks, and all those things. Okay, everybody is watching this robotic floor cleaner getting stuck here. There's about 7-8 people watching, and it's like wondering what the heck is going on. And I think it's just that this door is open to this Mona Lisa place, and it can't go back because it's at an angle, and now it's kind of just standing there, not being able to proceed. Alright, now somebody closed the door, so it should be able to go. Let's see if it goes. It's just still sitting there waiting. So even the door has been swung to the other side. I guess not much of artificial intelligence here. No intelligence at all. It's just standing there, not doing anything. So it's just, I guess after a while, it just maybe just gave up. So just beeping but not doing anything. Okay, somebody manually just push it around a little bit to see it will reset. Now it's moving on its own. Now it's going. Well, I guess it's better safe than sorry. That's the key. And oops. Oh, the floor is already clean, but it's going around. That's robot for you. This is a food court. This one, it looks like it's carving station, that kind of food. So it's a little bit like Turkish food. This guy is Durum, and it's got wraps, and so it's also kind of Turkish, probably like Turkish fast food and stuff like that. Got wrap mostly with fries. So it's like an Euro kind of thing. This one's KFC and it's not open. That one there is a McDonald's. Got order your DIY screen. Got burgers, soda, dessert and stuff like that. Got donuts and cakes and buffet, Happy Meal. And this McDonald's got an espresso machine. And then this guy is called Gunandin. Gunandin is more a cafeteria style food you order, and it's mostly meat and fries and that kind of rice, that kind of thing. Here it is. A lot of meat. Got fries, got rice, got like a pancake pizza kind of thing. And then on the other side we got Carl's Jr. Got what else we got? What is this one here? Tabak Dunyasi. Looks like chicken and burgers and stuff like that. And over there, hey, Far East Chinese and sushi. Ah, that's different. That's the fusion, I guess. Chinese and Japanese fusion. Yeah. And then you got Burger King, Kitchen Local, Shake Shack. So, and this one is called La Pollo. So it's kind of a, what does La Pollo serve? I think chicken on a tray or chicken on a burger with fries. They seem to enjoy that. And over there we have Popeye. We got Pink Berry. I think Kitchen Local is more like a local kind of food, and you order a la carte everything. And this is called Plus Kitchen. Plus Kitchen is a lot of, oh okay, this is your cafeteria kind of style food, which we enjoy a lot, because you can just pick whatever you want, as much, as little. Of course, this is all one piece. Then you got rice, and potato, and wraps, and salad, and vegetable, and all that kind of stuff. Very nice. This one is Pink Berry, which is frozen yogurt with a lot of different, a lot of frozen, a lot of fruits. Yes, on top. Yes. Okay, thank you. Oh, okay. Sunflower seeds, coconut. These are the toppings. And here are the drinks: bubble tea, frozen yogurt, and all that. Okay. Thank you. Alrighty, and Shake Shack. Fries, shakes, hot dogs, and floats. Alright, that's what's available for a food court and in a pretty nice mall here. So they expect a lot of tourists, of course. So they got stations here that help you do tax refund. Right there, tax refund. They got more than one. They got like at least 2 or 3 of them. And they got multiple people stationed there to help you do that. In case you buy any high-price item, I guess they will help you. Ooh, a baklava shake. How do you like that? Chicken, what? Chicken shake, huh? And this is a talk. What is a talk? Is this an EV? Never heard of talk before. Let's see if it's an EV. You can tell by checking to see if it has an exhaust, and it doesn't, so it's an EV. And looks like it's 1.9 million. Not 1.9 million. Looks like 50, 60,000, 50,000. It is made in Turkey, it looks like. 2025. Range is 523 kilometers. That's 1.9 million. Is this Turkish car? Oh, so Turkey makes EV also. Okay. Thank you. Nice trunk, nice little crossover. Got all the electronic bells and whistle across the board there. Looks very nice. That is a Turkish EV. Just like VinFast in Vietnam, Turkey can make EVs too. That's very nice. And here's a very nice children play area for climbing and slides and all that kind of stuff. And the floor is still concrete, so they don't worry too much about the kids falling and liability and all that kind of stuff, I guess. So that's good to know. Kids will be kids. A little bit early today to have a afternoon tea. The thing in the middle, the white thing, is ice cream. So this is a pistachio dessert plate. 2 of us gonna share. It's a small plate, but then of course I have drinks coming. This is the Turkish tea, the flowers and everything, and this is the avocado. So this for Sam. I ordered this because of Sam. It's cool or what?